everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Notchnook versus Dynamic Lake. So if you don't know what these two are, Notchnook is a macOS utility that enhances MacBook Notch by adding widgets such as media controls, calendar, shortcuts, and a mirror. It also offers a file tray for temporary storage and airdrop functionality. While Dynamic Lake, on the other hand, is an app that brings dynamic island-like features to macOS, providing system controls, volume, brightness, media playback, notifications, and real-time updates like weather and calendar events. Now, let's go over their pros and cons. The pros of Notchnook is that it integrates multiple widgets into the Notch area, offers a file tray for quick file access and airdrop, and has customizable and supports multiple monitors. Now, the cons of it is that some widgets may have limited functionality or bugs, and media controls might not support all applications. And lastly, it requires access to camera and microphone for certain features. Now let's go over the pros and cons of Dynamic Lake here. So the pros of Dynamic Lake is that it provides system controls and real-time updates in the Notch. It features features like Dynamusics and Dynaglance and to enhance the user experience, and it supports both Notch and non-Notch MacBooks. Now the cons of it is that some users report occasional bugs or glitches. It has limited customization compared to other apps, and may require additional permissions for full functionality. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Notchnook if you desire a customizable Notch experience with various widgets and file management capabilities, and choose Dynamic Lake Pro if you're looking for a straightforward solution to add system controls and real-time updates to your MacBook's Notch. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.